my name is Marti Renki, nutritionist, dietitian and passionate cook. Today, I invite you to come with me on a culinary trip to the place where I was born. Pack light and prepare your senses for the tastes and sights of Hungary. For today's menu, first we are going to cook goulash soup, in Hungarian gulyás leves. You will need 3 tablespoons of oil, a pound of beef cubed, then the vegetables, 3 carrots, 2 parsnips, 1 pound of potatoes, a small turnip, 1 tomato, 2 medium onions, a slice of pepper green or Italian, 3 cloves of garlic. For the seasoning you need 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds, the main ingredient Hungarian paprika. You can definitely experiment with the strengths. To start, I suggest a mix of 2 tablespoons sweet and 1/8 of a teaspoon strong paprika. A usual staple in any Hungarian soup is a handful of fresh, chopped up curly or flat leaf parsley, about a 1/4 cup to be added at the very end. After cleaning and cubing the vegetables, let's get started. You will also need 8 cups of water in total.